I got it made, better look again. I got a Butler, got it made, and a mansion. Need belief is that I'm living out a millionaire's fantasy with phantoms and Ferraris in the driveway. But you see the pain in exchange of a sane man's sanity. Your vision jaded by the Grammys on the mantelpiece. Just switch the camera lenses, you will see the agony. Apparently it's damaging the man you see before you on the canvas. He may seem alright, but all the disadvantages his family encounters overshadows its extravagance. Walk in my nines a while, I dare you with a scare you while it surely seems right. A king life seems glamorous, it's seen through the eyes of untrained amateurs. Because the camera doesn't see beyond the walls of the smiles on the couch until it
crazy, let's face it, shit basically they just playing sick dance, shit they ain't saying, shit spraying 50 A to the K, get in the way, I bring brain them with me and turn this day into fucking mayhem. You staying with me? Don't let me lose you, I'm not trying to confuse you. When I let loose with this Uzi and just shoot through your Isuzu. You get the message, am I getting through to you? You know it's coming, you motherfuckers don't even know, do you? Take some big and some pop, and you mix them up in a pot. Sprinkle a little Big L on top, what the fuck do you got? You got the realest and illest killers tied up in a knot. The juggernauts of this rap shit, like it or not. It's like a fight to the top just to see who died for the spot. You put your life in this